Golden sands and gleaming towers, where tradition dances with innovation, there lives a factory unlike any other, nature's own factory. In the heart of Dubai, where dreams rise as tall as the Burj, a quiet craftsman works day and night, not just to make chocolate, but to give life to legends. They say perfection isn't made, it's born.
Hello.
And it begins with hands that remember, hands that grind, stir, and shape stories into sweetness. In Dubai, even chocolate dares to dream. Wrapped not just in paper, but in purpose. He wasn't just made, he was born. Born in Dubai, destined for the world.